subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Not this, I want this. Thank you guys so much. You want to see how I achieved this look? Keep watching. Thank you. Bye. This is an all-day all event. No flashback, no harsh line. Classy, low budget makeup look. You don't have to break the bank to look good. And don't forget to stay to the end of the video to see how I made my hair. I'm using rose water to prep and prime my face. It's extremely affordable. And then after that, I'll be using this Pond Oil Mattifying Control to also apply on my face. I won't let the rose water dry off so that the bond can actually melt. The rose water actually feels really nice on the skin and it's extremely affordable. I tried to actually place the stuff I'm using on the camera, but it kept on having this flashbacks, and I'm like, oh, okay, I can actually just show it to you guys on the screen and then just put it there for you guys to see, because I barely find my shade. So to actually achieve my shade, I have to mix both foundations together. Blend a lot when I'm doing my makeup. I can take up to like 5 minutes to blend because I don't want to see any harsh line. As in, when you blend properly, yeah, it avoids harsh lines on your face. Like, I hate anything that has to be harsh lines, so I have to blend a lot. So I'm actually going to be drawing my brows off the camera because a lot of movement was going on in the background. What I use for my brows is Hegia and Esther in Ebhony. It's very affordable. So using Pro Concealer to highlight my face is extremely affordable. Out the line around my concealer as well to avoid harsh lines. Like, I blend out everything, every part I put the concealer. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like and comment. I would really appreciate it. I'll be using a very damp beauty blender to blend everything. You don't want to use a dry beauty blender or a dirty beauty blender. Make sure everything that is washed is clean. So yeah, and make sure it's damp as well. I did not say soak it in water. I said damp. Squeeze out the water. Have you heard me? Good. Moving on. We're going to blend everything, as in but the foundation. We blend everything together. I know some of you blend your concealer, but then again you leave this mark. Don't do that, please. Stop it. If you do that, stop it. So you have to blend every single thing together and make sure that you cannot see any line at all on your face. Using a face powder that works very well for you, get a lighter shade of the powder and use it as a setting powder. It will work perfectly well. Or if you got a foundation that is way lighter than your color, you can actually use it as a concealer instead to highlight your face. This Ben Nye powder is actually quite a bit on the high side. It's not that high though. It's a bit on the high side. So yeah, if you can get your face powder in a lighter shade, that will work perfectly well for you. And then to also contour your face as well, your face powder in a darker shade, that will work perfectly well for you. You don't have to go overboard. Oh, this YouTuber is using this girl that is doing makeup on Instagram is using this. No, you don't have to do none of that. Then I'm not going to be using eyeshadow for this look. You don't have to use eyeshadow for you to pop. I'm not going to use eyeshadow for this look. So to mattify my eyelids and not make it oily, I'm going to be applying my translucent powder as well. I'm going to apply my setting powder as well, rather. I keep on saying translucent, I don't know why. I'm going to apply my setting powder on my eyelids and apply a lighter shade to my brow bone to give it that highlight. I'm going to be using my powder in a darker shade to contour my face. I'm not really a fan of cream contours, but I think I'm going to be trying it out very soon. So yeah, I use my powder in a darker shade to contour my face. Then I just slightly brush out the setting powder. apply my face powder after the contour, so I won't have it won't look extremely dark on my face, like everything is going to be blended out. So that's the procedure I do. Apply my face powder after the contour, because some people do apply their powder before the contour. Blending out the setting powder I put on my brow bone with my face powder, so it won't look harsh. So I use my face powder to blend it out. Using Zaron gel liner. It is also very affordable. I'm going to be using that to line my eyes. Lashes is out of this world. I got it from Eyeliner on Instagram. Hey auntie, calm down. Show them the step now, at least small something how to put the lashes. Using bonding glue, as in hair bonding glue, to apply my lashes. It is very cheap, extremely. That's why I decided to use the glue for this look. So you can see that you can also use hair bonding glue to apply your false lashes, but you have to be careful so it's not gonna damage your eye. You now say it's Jakojomo that sent me to go and use hair bonding glue. Please, thank you. I'm going to be putting her Instagram handle down in the description box below. Do check her out. It is, I can't even describe how good and how satisfied I felt after I used this lashes to achieve this look. Milani Tantastic. This is the most important part in my makeup. I love highlights so much, but for this look I'm going to be going subtle. Yeah, you want to use a bronzer that blends with your skin tone but still gives you this pop. Go for a bronzer that actually blends and settles into your skin. You don't want to go too overboard, so you'll not be looking like okay. End of the video, I'm going to be attaching a link that would direct you to my previous video of how to achieve this hair. Please do click it. You will actually learn a lot and enjoy the video. Trust me. You know you can trust me, right? You can use any red lipstick or any lipstick of your choice, but I decided to go for red because I was going for O1 Bear, so yeah, I had to, pop and stand out. going back again with my rose water to set the whole makeup. I'm going to be applying mascara here, but I could not apply my mascara before the rose water, before the setting spray, because if I do that, it's going to drip down my face and mess up my entire makeup. I rather spray the rose water and then after that apply my mascara. That is more safer for me, because trust me, I am really clumsy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And do also remember to click the link at the end of the video to see how I made my hair. Okay babies, bye, love you. Voila.